Hey there, it's Tabitha Caro here, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to make this selfie circle GIF video. It is a GIF, not a video, for your emails, for your blog posts, and it's just a way to add your personal touch, your branding, your face, and help you connect on a personal level more with your audience, which is what we want. So let's get started. First off, you're going to need a selfie video of yourself in widescreen or vertical, whatever works for you. Go to Instagram stories or whatever and add a filter. Take a video of yourself just waving to the camera that you feel good about, and then save it to your camera roll. And the main thing is that you want to make sure that you are in the center of the video where you're not going to get chopped off when we crop it to circle. Then we're going to go to the Canva app and we are going to create a custom size project of just 200 by 200 pixels. You want it to be small because if you're going to do this as a GIF, GIFs can be very large in size and slow down things for you on your blog and your emails and all that. You don't want that. So we're going to make this nice and small. You can always resize it if you want to use it for a video, for an Instagram carousel or reel or something like that. So here we are going to go to elements and we are going to go down to frames and add in a circle frame. This will allow us to insert our selfie video and crop it to circle. I'm just going to kind of stretch that out here as much as possible without it going off the edges of my canvas. Now I'm going to tap the plus sign and just go to my camera roll and get that selfie video, add to page, and just move it around until it goes into the circle frame. Double tap as needed to position where you are not getting chopped off. Now I'm also going to trim this because you do not want a video that long as a GIF, so I'm going to just tap on the scissors, and the volume won't matter unless you're going to save this as a video, but I'm just going to get the best part of me being happy and friendly, and let's see what that looks like. Yeah. So I really wouldn't do more than 2 seconds long. I'd try to keep it as short as possible. In fact, I think I can get away with about 1.7 seconds. Then we're gonna save it as a GIF for our emails and our blog posts. So we are going to go to download and go right here to the bottom to GIF and download. And now we're gonna have a nice circle selfie GIF to add to our things online. So here's what that looks, and yes, it looks a little bit blurry because it's so big, but on your emails and blog posts you're going to keep it small and it should look fine. You can always make it bigger, but just know you run the risk of it being a large file, slowing things down. And once you've done one, don't stop there. Just have fun whenever you see a cute filter that you want to try out. Make yourself a little selfie GIF, add it to a folder in your Photos app and also on your desktop, so that's an easy thing to add and personalize your emails, blog posts, and so forth with yourself, your brand, which is you, and connect more with your audience. I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you do this. If you post it on Instagram, please tag me at Teacherpreneur Tips, and I would love to share it in my stories, get you some views, and let me know if you have any questions or issues trying this out. Please comment below and let me know what you think of this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.